Okay, let's see this question. We want to factor this. If this were in complex system, yes, we can factor as a complex terms, but we're in a real number world. So we want to factor this in a real number sense. So the first term is x raised by 4. We can think that's x squared, right? The second term is 4y to the fourth power. We can think as 2y squared. So sum of two squares, that give us a hint. Maybe we can make this perfect square by adding the middle term. So if we add 2 times x squared times 2y squared, right? Then plus 2y squared. Because we add this from nowhere, we have to subtract 2 times x squared times 2y squared. Remember, that's the perfect square form, right? A plus b. Let me just remind you. We have a plus b squared. That's a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. So in this case, you see we have a squared, we have b squared, which is missing the middle term 2ab. So a in our case is x squared, so we multiply by 2 with x squared. B in our case is 2y squared, so 2 times a times b. We have to subtract, right? Whatever we add, we have to subtract because we can only add 0. Now, this becomes a perfect square, becomes x squared plus 2y squared, right? Then minus this will have 2 times 2, which is 2 squared. So this can be written as 2xy squared. We have difference of 2 squares. So we can write different. Let me remind you, difference of 2 squares, a squared minus b squared, that equals to a plus b times a minus b. So in our case, a squared is the first term square. So a is x squared plus 2y squared. And b is 2xy. So first we add 2xy. And then we have x squared plus 2y squared minus 2xy. So now this x to the fourth power and the y, 4 times y to the fourth power becomes a factored form. Hope that makes sense to you.